Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're trying to organize your little one's closet, you're going to want to get these little closet organizers from Baby Nest. They are so adorable. They come with the sticker on already, so you don't have to do anything. They're just ready to use, and they're also double-sided, which is something that I really like because you can see the label from either side. This design was perfect for my son's animal-themed room. They are so adorable. It starts at newborn and goes all the way to 18 months. So it's really easy to divide up your little one's closet so you know what fits them now, what'll fit them later, what sizes you have more of, and just to keep everything organized. They're also really easy to put on the closet rod. They just twist on and off. You can even do it with just one hand, and they're nice and sturdy. They're really good quality and they're gonna last a long time. So if you're looking for some cute organizers for your baby's closet, look no further. You have found them with Baby Nest. These are great quality, super durable, and they come ready to go, which is so convenient. And that's my point of view.